terrible news. I've been growing this succulent. It came in a bouquet that my husband gave me for our anniversary, and I spent like a few weeks propagating it. I grew a ton of roots. Like, I'll post a picture. I put it in here, and you see those things, those pill bugs? They ate my roots. This morning I lifted it up because it doesn't look like it's doing well. Like, it looked really good a few days ago. Anyways, I lift it up. I see those stupid things and my roots gone. Gone. So I'm trying to see if I can bring it back and put more roots in. The issue is that is soil that I got from my garden. And I've been wondering why my seedlings are not doing well. And I think that's why. I think the pill bugs are eating my seedlings, the roots, because I know where my seedlings should be at this point, and they're not there. And I've been slowly panicking, but I didn't know why or what was going on. I was just gonna wait it out a little bit longer. But now that I saw what happened to my succulent, I know it's the pill bugs in my garden ruining my seedlings. Yeah, that really stresses me out because it's just such a bummer. Like, I was growing so many things this year that you just can't buy at local nurseries. That's what I'm gonna have to do to make up for all the loss. I'm just gonna buy starts at a local nursery, which isn't like a big deal. There are just certain things, like I said, like chiles árbol, guajillos. There's certain peppers I wanted to grow. I'm not finding those at a nursery. Certain flowers, my favorite, my Cherokee Sunset Rudbeckia is like, man, this is just tough news. And yes, with my climate, I can technically restart. I have enough growing season to restart my peppers, but the thing is, we're moving in August, and it just doesn't make sense for me to restart peppers and tomatoes, especially peppers, from seed, now that I've lost so much time. So it'll be fine. This is part of gardening, dealing with these kinds of issues, mitigating your expectations, dealing with disappointment, because especially when you're organic gardening, things just don't go your way. And it's situations like this that really make me question, how important is organic gardening to me, really? Because I'm always tempted to introduce chemicals to my garden just to kill the bugs who are ruining my life, because every year there is a bug who ruins my life. Last year it was armyworms, and it sucks.